Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing an Oppo smartwatch with a phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to pair an Oppo Watch with a phone, you need to have the HeyTap Health app downloaded. Open the app on your phone, tap Manage in the bottom right corner, and tap Add Device. Choose the type of watch that you have from the options. Tap your watch's name when it appears. Tap Pair. Tap Continue setting up your band. Agree to the terms and conditions and allow the permissions. Choose your wearing hand and then tap Get Started. Your watch is now paired with your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.